You're just a specimen, Mike. Then we met the other day. Come on. This is Mike, who's having the hair system in about 2 hours, and the great reveal. How many people coming from any of your family coming?
I've got 3 of my family coming.
Yeah,
More wanted to, but
yeah, of course, because of COVID. So you excited?
Yeah. You have no idea, mate.
Yeah.
You genuinely have no idea how much.
We are as well. So you're going to definitely come down to Bristol for some help.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, good. So we
I
look
need to know
forward to
everything so I can treat it properly and keep it going as long as possible.
Excellent. You did order the pink hair system, didn't you?
That was. I thought we were going for the green and
Oh,
white.
okay. That's how you brought the right one. Troy's in here with Mike. How you feeling, Troy?
Nervous. I'm not doing anything.
Yeah, exactly. So, but that's the only sort of like thing that's sort of been kind of playing on my mind about this.
Yeah, there's lots of individual stories. There's, speaking of TV shows, there's one on, is it First Dates?
Yeah.
There's a ginger guy, wasn't there?
Yeah.
He just flat told someone on that first date show.
Yeah.
Sat at the dinner table.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just took a beard off and it's...
Wow.
So I won't be able to wet shave him, so I don't know...
Gerald, you're coming in my after shots. That's it now.
No, I'm not part of this.
Yes. No, I want you in it. You're very kind to me the other day.
Incredible. How you feeling, Mike?
Fantastic, mate.
You guys are just making a mess, really, aren't you?
Yeah, I don't mind, because I got told I didn't have to clean it, so I'm alright.
Smile. Incredible.
This is a razor we cut over, right? So when you're cutting it might feel a little bit like a pull. It's not pulling, it's just where the razor might be dulling a little bit. Sure. So then we change the razor as soon as. Never been watched by the boss so much in my life.
Smile. Really good reaction.
I hope so. I just don't
I
know.
promise you.
Oh no, it'll be good, as in I'll like it. But I just.
Nothing wrong with crying. Yeah.
Best hair transformation that's happened on this show in 40 episodes.
Oh, thank you
telling
so
you.
much.
She does that to everyone, man.
All right, here, my wallet. Yeah, no, look, that's a genuine.
I am not
It's
joking.
genuine.
We get paid for that on the way out.
No, she don't. She's fantastic. She's genuine.
You say that, and this is gospel truth. I always say, because obviously when I'm working, I've
Yeah.
talked for people for like hours and hours and hours, and I always say to people, the person that I am when I take my hair off once a month in a mirror, and I know what I look like without it. That's not actually me anymore.
Yeah.
That's the person I am for an hour a month because I have to be.
Yeah.
But when I take my hair off now, I don't recognise myself. So it's like I'm so used to having it.
Yeah. Smile for me. I want to see those gnashers. No.
You haven't seen yourself. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling really good, really confident.
Oh, that's better.
Really
like
good.
it. Right. So good luck with the reel. We can't stay because of this COVID.
Okay.
But
well,
make sure you
thank
Skype me tomorrow.
Yeah, I will be. It
All right,
probably
take-
won't be early because I'm going to have a light.
Yeah, good for you.
This,
Well
all
done.
right?
And that was John got that.
John, yeah.
Thanks,
man. Cheers. Everything.
You're an absolute star.